Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Delta Entertainment. I am your host, Liga Kenobi. And before we get started, we'd like you guys to please hit that like button and please subscribe to my channel. Would appreciate that very, very much. All right, let's get into this. So, it looks like we got an article going on with Kotaku, and I think they're in serious trouble. So let's get a look at this. Here we go. Kotaku could be in deep trouble as former Activision Blizzard CEO Bobby Kotick sues parent company for alleged defamation on controversial gaming site. Oh boy. Let's take a read at this and see what is going on. It's in a move that could significantly impact Kotaku and its parent company. Geo Media former Activision Blizzard CEO Bobby Kotick has filed a defamation lawsuit alleging deliberate misrepresentation by two of the media group's outlets. Filed in the Superior Court of Delaware, the suit specifically targets Kotaku and Gizmodo, citing coverage that referenced long withdrawn allegations unrelated to the topic at hand. Allegations of misrepresentation. According to the legal complaint, Kotick contends that both Kotaku and Gizmodo published articles regarding his humored involvement in a potential acquisition of TikTok. Kotick alleges that the outlets unnecessarily revived past accusations against him that had already been dismissed as part of their coverage. Lawsuit states that the reference claims stemming from prior investigations into Activision Blizzard have been conclusively disproven by numerous investigations, yet they were still used in the articles. Kotick argues this inclusion served no journalistic purpose and was designed to reputational harm. Efforts from Kotick's representatives to request corrections were reportedly met with minimal actions, while Gizmodo removed the word disgraced from its original headline, and both sites later added brief clarifications. Kotick asserts that the articles continue to mischaracterize the situation. This seems to mirror the situation with YouTuber MrBeast, who was misquoted by Kotaku, leading to massive backlash against him. Kotaku once more simply edited the headline and included a small blurb at the end of the article after it had already been up in its original form for over a week with no formal apology or clarifying social media posts. Legal and industry implications. This lawsuit comes amid growing scrutiny of media practices across the gaming and tech journalism sectors. The case highlights ongoing concerns regarding the responsibilities of media outlets when reporting on individuals previously involved in legal disputes, particularly after the resolution of such matters. So, this is what Kotaku wrote and everything. Mr. Beast, life is so much easier when you're broke. And then, of course, he never said that. He stated in a post that he never said that and that he's being attacked for this fake news. So, Kotaku was making a statement about what was going on in life and whatever. And then, of course, Kotaku, but not the company, but some guy from working with Kotaku put this lie here and made Mr. Beast almost look like a fool. But of course, Mr. Beast clarified it, and then Kotaku, they changed what they said, but did not make an apology to the man. So that's something that is definitely bad. It's definitely bad for them, bro. Notably, Geo Media has faced similar legal challenges in the past. The company previously owned Deadspin, an outlet that encountered a defamation lawsuit it ultimately lost, leading to significant consequences for the publication. Background: Activision's Blizzard's legal resolution. The prior scrutiny Kotick references dates back in 2021 when the California Civil Rights Department launched an investigation into Activision Blizzard regarding alleged workplace misconduct. The case garnered widespread attention, culminating in a 54 million settlement agreement in the late 2023. The settlement explicitly stated that no court or any independent investigation has substantiated any allegations of systematic workplace misconduct, nor that senior leadership condoned such behavior. Despite this outcome, Kotick's lawsuit argues that Kotaku and Gizmodo's recent reporting omitted key facts, choosing instead to repeat claims that have been resolved in a court of law. Industry reactions and broader impact. Kotaku's lawsuit arrives at a precarious time for Geo Media. The media company has undergone rounds of layoffs and leadership changes in recent months, with Kotaku itself seeing a significant reduction in staff. The combination of operational challenges, and legal battles could pose serious risks to the company's long-term stability. If successful, the lawsuit could set a precedent for how media organizations handle previously resolved legal matters, especially when referencing them in unrelated coverage. It also underscores the growing legal focus on accountability in digital journalism, particularly as outlets face increasing pressure to maintain both accuracy and ethical reporting practices. As of this writing, neither Geo Media nor Kotaku have issued a public statement in response to the lawsuit. So, I don't know, man. This could be the end of Kotaku itself, man. So, we'll see. We'll see. So, I'll keep you guys posted if something else comes up with this Kotaku thing. I'll keep you guys posted on it, and we'll see what happens, bro. So, thank you all so much for watching this video and being part of the channel. So please share this video, post a comment below, let me know your thoughts about this. And like I said, dude, I will keep in touch with you guys. I will keep an eye on this article and see if there's a continuation, see what is going on with this. So again, thank you all so much, and I will see you all until next time. Bye, everyone.